Now come to the exercise 1C. In exercise 1C about triangle, area of triangle. So area, first of all, I tell you some general things. Suppose this is our triangle and this is the base, and what is the height? This is your perpendicular height. This is called height. Not this, not this. This is, both are not height, both are sides. Height this of triangle. This is base and this is height. So general formula of area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. Here there are three things: area, base and height. तो area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. अगर इसके अंदर तीन चीजें हैं, ये है और ये, इन तीनों में से अगर दो पता है तो आप एक चीज निकाल सकते हैं. सपोज यू नो बेस एंड एरिया, देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट हाइट. तो फार्मूला क्या होगा? हाइट is equal to 2 into area upon base. This is the formula when you find to height. If you know area and base, if you have to find base and you know area and height, then base is equal to 2 into area upon height. With the help of this formula, you find this formula. Now come to the second triangle. This is our right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means whose one angle is 90 degree. That is called right angle triangle. So this is base and this is what? Perpendicular. Means perpendicular, yeah, height. You can say perpendicular, height or attitude. These are three names. So area of right angle triangle is equal to perpendicular into base upon 2. Perpendicular into base upon 2. You can say in place of perpendicular height, you can say in place of perpendicular attitude. मतलब यहाँ पर perpendicular की जगह आप height भी लिख सकते हैं, attitude भी लिख सकते हैं. तीनों का मतलब एक ही होता है, perpendicular, height और attitude. तो area of right angle triangle is equal to perpendicular into base upon 2 or attitude into base upon 2 or height into base upon 2. Now come to the third type of triangle whose all sides you know, A, B, C. Suppose this is our triangle and इसकी सारी साइड की लेंथ पता है. How you find the area of this triangle? This type of triangle, if you have to find area, then you have to apply Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of triangle which all sides we know. अगर इसकी तीनों साइड पता है तो इसका एरिया हम कैसे निकालेंगे? With the help of this formula, under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. ये ए बी सी क्या है? ए बी सी इस तीनों साइड की लेंथ है. ए दिस साइड, सी दिस साइड, बी दिस साइड. एंड व्हाट इज एस? एस इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी अपॉन 2. तीनों साइड का सम का आधा, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर एस. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 1C का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 11 centimeter. You have to find area of triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 11 centimeter. So given base is equal to 8 centimeter, height is equal to 11 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2 is equal to 8 into 11 upon 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 44 centimeter square. Now come to the question number 2. If one side of a triangle is 24.5 centimeter and the corresponding attitude is 12 centimeter, find its area. In this question, you know one side 24.5 and corresponding attitude. मतलब उसके उस साइड के ऊपर जो attitude है that is called 12 centimeter. So you have to find area. तो simple question. This is your base and this is your height. So you apply same formula in question first. Now come to the question number 3. The area of a triangle is 216 centimeter square. One side of triangle measure 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the corresponding vertex from the side. So given in this question, given area 216 centimeter square and one side of triangle measure 24 centimeter, and you have to find the corresponding vertex height. Like you have to find the height. So here, this is your base 24 centimeter and the area of triangle is 216 centimeter square, and you have to find height. तो फार्मूला एरिया इज इक्वल टू बेस इंटू हाइट अपॉन 2. एरिया की जगह 216, बेस की जगह 24 और हाइट की जगह h अपॉन 2. Now 24 upon 2 go that side, so h is equal to 216 into 2 upon 24. After reducing, our answer come 18 centimeter. It means it's this 18 centimeter. Now come to the question number 4. The area of a triangle is 196 centimeter square. Find the length of the base if the corresponding height is 14 centimeter. In this question, area given and height given, and you have to find base. So base is equal to formula. Base is equal to 2 into area upon height. So you can calculate. Same as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 question are same. In this question you have to find base. Now come to the question number 5. Find the area of triangle of its sides are 21 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. This question will be solved with the help of Heron's formula. Now I am solving 21 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to this. First of all we find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. 21 plus 17 plus 10 upon 2 means 48 upon 2 is equal to 24. The value of S is equal to 24. Now area of triangle is equal to, this is your Heron's formula. Now in place of S you write 24 into 24 minus 21 into 24 minus 17 into 24 minus 10. 24 into 24 minus 21 3, 24 minus 17 7 and 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. If you multiply all 4 24 into 3 into 7 into 14, then a big number come, एक बड़ा number आएगा. After that you find square root. So you do not multiply all these. You find factor here. The factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the factor of 24. 3 is this, 7 is this, and factor of 14 is 2 into 7. Now you make pair and हर पेयर में से एक एक निकाला तो आपका आंसर आ गया 84 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल दिस थिंग, अगर आप इन चारों का मल्टीप्लाई करते तो ये आता 7056. तब आप उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना पड़ता, तब भी 84 ही आता. जैसे यहाँ पर 84 आया ऐसे यहाँ पर भी 84 आता. तो if you interested like this, then you do like this. If you are interested like this, then you do this, because it is very easy method. Now come to the question number 6. Find the area of a triangle of side 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter, and find the length of the perpendicular from the vertex opposite the side of the length 14 centimeter. A triangle whose all sides are given 13, 14, 15, and you have to find first of all area. To come to the point, this is our triangle. This is 14 centimeter, this is 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. You have to find the area of this triangle. How you find? With the help of Heron formula. First of all you find S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is the value of X. This is the value of S, 21. Now come to the formula. Area of triangle is equal to S into minus A into S minus B, S minus C. In place of S, 21 and A this, B this and C this. You put all value and 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. After that you factorize. After that you factor and make a group, and your final answer is 84 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 84 centimeter square. But in question one thing is also asked, that what is the height opposite of 14? Again, area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. Area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. So area of triangle 84, you find 84 is equal to base is 14, base is 14, this is your base 14, and you have to find height. So 14 into h upon 2. 14 upon 2 go that side, h is equal to 12 centimeter. So the height is equal to 12 centimeter opposite to base 14 centimeter. This is your base, or opposite of this height is 12 centimeter. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7. Find the area of right angle triangle if it's. There are 3 parts. First of all, I am telling general one general thing about right angle triangle. Suppose this is our right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle. And what is this base? This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. You can say height also. ये परपेंडिकुलर है, हाइट है, एटीट्यूड, तीनों कहा जाता है इसको. दिस इज आवर बेस, दिस इज आवर हाइपोटेनस और दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर. देयर इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑल दीज थ्री थिंग्स, हाइपोटेनस, परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन? हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन these three things. Now I am giving one example. Suppose this is our right angle triangle whose sides 3, 5, 4. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular and this is base. If you apply this formula, hypotenuse का square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square in this figure, then hypotenuse 5, base 4, perpendicular 3. तो hypotenuse का square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. तो 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 प्लस 16, 25 इज इक्वल टू 25. ये प्रूव हो गया कि दिस फार्मूला इज राइट. हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फार्मूला वी फाइंड टू फार्मूला 1 and 2. बेस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर माइनस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर एंड परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर माइनस बेस स्क्वायर. सो कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Seventh का first. In this question first base is 24 and perpendicular 7. So you can find hypotenuse. After that when you find hypotenuse then you find area. Similarly question number second, base 6 centimeter and hypotenuse 10 centimeter. In this figure this is base 6 centimeter and hypotenuse 10 centimeter. And what you have to find? You have to find the area of this triangle. But you find the area of this triangle, then you आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए, then you know about this height. तो first of all you calculate height with the help of height perpendicular. तो perpendicular का square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse 10 minus 6 square, 10 square 64. Perpendicular square is equal to 64. So perpendicular is equal to square root 64 is equal to 8 centimeter. It means the height of this triangle is 8 centimeter. Now you come to the area. Area is equal to base into height upon 2. Base is 6 and height is 8 upon 2. Your answer comes 24 centimeter square. In question number 7 का first, here base and perpendicular. In question number first you have not to calculate hypotenuse because you have to find area and you need base and perpendicular. So you have not to find in this question hypotenuse. And question number third, there is perpendicular 60 and hypotenuse 61. So you have to calculate first base. After that you find area. Now come to the question number 8. Find the area of an equilateral triangle of side. There are three parts: first, second, third. You have to find equilateral triangle. First of all, you have to know that what is equilateral triangle. This is our equilateral triangle. A triangle which all sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle formula this: under root 3 upon 4 side का square. Square root 3 upon 4 side का square. This is the formula of area of equilateral triangle. If you know this, suppose this is our second part of 8 का second. A triangle whose all sides are 5, 5, 5. So you have to find area. Then you apply this formula. Root 3 upon 4 into 5 का square. This is your side 5 का square. Under root 3 upon 4 into 25. And the value of square root 3 is equal to 1.732 in question giving. Value of square root 3 is equal to 1.732. So in place of square root 3, you put 1.732. 1.73 into 25 upon 4. After reducing, your answer come 10.825. But in questions is saying that you have to give answer after decimal 2 place. आपको आंसर यहाँ तक देना है, इसको आपको हटाना है. When this is your 5, ये 5 है या 5 से बड़ा है, तो ये कट जाएगा और इसमें से एक निकल के इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 10.83 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. Now come to the question number 9. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square, find the length of its side and its perimeter. Given है आपको area of equilateral triangle this 36 root 3 centimeter square, and you have to find first of all side, after that perimeter. Question number 9, area of equilateral triangle given this, you write formula area is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side ka square. In place of area you write 36 root 3 because area of equilateral triangle given is equal to square root 3 upon 4 into side ka square. Root 3 upon 4 go that side, so side ka square is equal to this root 3 cut by root 3, so 36 into 4 is equal to 144, side ka square is equal to 144, side is equal to square root 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. When you know the side of equilateral triangle 12 centimeter, now perimeter of equilateral triangle what? 3 into side is equal to 3 into 12 is equal to 36 centimeter. Now come to the question number 11. If the ratio of the base and hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 4:5 and the perimeter of the triangle is 48 centimeter, find its area. You have to find the area, and given बेस एंड हाइपोटेनस का रेशो दिया राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में 4:5 और उसका पेरीमीटर 48 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया. नाउ कम टू द दिस इज योर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, दिस इज योर बेस 4 एंड दिस इज योर हाइपोटेनस 5. इनका रेशो दिया है 4:5. तो लेट द बेस इज इक्वल टू 4x एंड हाइपोटेनस इज इक्वल टू 5x. So first of all I find this perpendicular. With the help of this formula, perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse की जगह 5x minus 4x, 5x का square 25x square minus 16x square. After subtracting you come 9x square. Now perpendicular is equal to square root 9x square. 9 का square root 3 और x square का x. So this is perpendicular 3x. This is perpendicular 3x. Given perimeter in the question, perimeter is given 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter perimeter given. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. And if you according to figure, if you find the perimeter, then this plus this plus this, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 12x. This is according to figure perimeter, and given perimeter 48, it means both are equal. According to question, 12x is equal to 48, x is equal to 48 upon 12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So the value of x is equal to 4. Now put the value of x in base. Base is equal to 4x, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Perpendicular or height is equal to 3x, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. This is our base and this is our height. Now find area. Area is equal to base into height upon 2. So base into height upon 2. After solving, our answer comes 96 centimeter square. Now come to the question number 12. In the figure, triangle ABC is right angle triangle. ABC is right angle triangle. Find the area. इसका area निकालना है. Length of AC and length of BD. Three things you have to calculate. This is our figure ABC. This is 40. This is 9. First of all, we find area because this is 90-degree angle. So this is base and this is height. Area is equal to base into height upon 2 is equal to 180 centimeter square. First I calculate the area of this triangle, 180 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate AC. What is AC? AC is hypotenuse. तो AC का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर प्लस AB स्क्वायर, मतलब हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. तो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर प्लस AB स्क्वायर. BC 40 स्क्वायर प्लस 9 स्क्वायर. 1600 प्लस 81 इज इक्वल टू 1681. तो AC का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1681. तो AC इज इक्वल टू इसका स्क्वायर रूट और इसका स्क्वायर रूट कितना है 41 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट BD. अब हमें BD निकालना है. इफ वी रोटेट दिस फिगर, अगर हम इस फिगर को घुमा दें, इसको बेस बना दें लाइक दिस. दिस इज आवर बेस एंड दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर एंड मतलब थ्री साइड्स इन दिस ट्राइंगल. दिस we rotate that figure and make 41 base, and you have to calculate BD. Then base is equal to 41. But you know the area of this triangle in first part. What is the area in 180 centimeter square? Again, area of triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. But area you calculated first part 180 is equal to base 41 and height h upon 2. So after calculating h is equal to 8.78 centimeter. It means BD is equal to 8.78 centimeter. Now come to the question number 13th first. There are this figure and you have to find the shaded portion. This is our triangle ABC. This is our triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle. And this is 8, this is 15. BC we do not know. So first of all we find BC. BC का square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square is equal to AB 8 square plus 15 square, 64 plus 225 is equal to 289. So BC square is equal to 289. So BC is equal to square root 289 is equal to 17. It means this is 17 centimeter. It is very necessary to calculate the BC. Now come to the area of this triangle ABC, full big triangle ABC. This is our base and this is our height. This is our base and this is our height. The area of triangle ABC is equal to base into height upon 2. 8 into 15 upon 2 is equal to 60 centimeter square. This is the area of big triangle. Now come to the area of triangle this BC. If we name this point D, BCD, the area of this triangle is equal to base 17 and height 4. 17 into 4 upon 2 is equal to 34 centimeter square. We find the area of this triangle 34 centimeter square and we find the area of big triangle equal to 60 centimeter square. But you have to find the area of shaded portion. This is our shaded portion. So the area of big triangle minus area of small triangle. Area of big triangle 60 centimeter square minus 34 is equal to 26 centimeter square. Now come to the question number 13th ka third. This is our figure and you have to calculate the area of shaded pore. This is our 6, this is our 12, this is our 8. So you have to calculate the area of shaded part. Means this part you have to calculate area. इसका एरिया आपको निकालना है. So first of all you find the area of total figure. This is length 12 and breadth 8. Area of total figure 12 into 8 96 centimeter square. Now come to this triangle, this white triangle, this triangle. This is base 6 and height 4. So area of this triangle is equal to base into height upon 2. 6 into 4 upon 2 is equal to 12 centimeter square. जैसे इसका एरिया 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर वैसे इसका एरिया ऑफ सेकंड ट्रायंगल इज आल्सो 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पार्ट इज इक्वल टू पूरे जो शेडेड पार्ट का एरिया है पूरे में से दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस कर दिया. तो पूरे का एरिया कितना है 96 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 96 माइनस 24 इज इक्वल टू 72 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.